supurative destruction of the parenchyma. All this epipachymetry.
Bilis daw. 100 MB2 eh.
It is a localized destruction. Look at this. Around is hemorrhagic. Center is simply suppurative. You don't have, let's say the liver, and then you have everything's pass. You not see the these are muscles. You don't see muscles now on the abscess. No? They are liquefied already. Oh, like this. If this is in the liver, you don't see hepatocyte intact. All you see is suppurative material and some fluid, clear spaces. Look at this. You have some structures now here, smooth muscle or fibroblasts, but here you don't see any structure. Pass.